We can't do anything with math until we understand what the problem is trying to ask us. So, before we begin any story problem, we must ask ourselves, what is the problem about? This problem, first I should probably read it. Mr. Diaz travels 4,002 miles for work in April. He travels 2,153 miles in May. How many more miles does Mr. Diaz travel in April than in May? Use any strategy to subtract. Okay, I've read it once. What is this problem about? I would say this problem is about Mr. Diaz, and he travels a lot for work, and we're going to compare, or not really compare, we're going to tell the difference. We're going to see what's the difference between how much he traveled in April and how much he traveled in May, and we want to see how much is that difference. So that's what the problem is about. Okay, next question. What are we trying to find out? Well, that's right in the question. The question is, how many more miles does Mr. Diaz travel in April than in May? So if April is up here, right, May is down here, we want to find this area right here. It's a funny looking drawing, but yes, we are looking for the difference. If this is May, and then this is April on like a number line of miles, we want to find the difference in between A and M. I hope that makes sense. And then in a story problem, what information is important most of the time? What information is important? We got to know how many miles did he go for in April, and we got to know how many miles did he go for in May. And then, this is an important cue, use any strategies to subtract. Is it telling us to subtract? It's telling us to subtract. Let's subtract. All right, check on the next slide. You're going to see how to subtract.